What's up everybody, Chance Jackson with Realty One Group Prestige here in Portland, Oregon. And today I'm in my downstairs basement, which we've converted to an Airbnb, to talk to you about COVID-19. Obviously right now it's kind of an uncertain time. The markets are shifting, the markets are fluctuating, and honestly it's affecting your opportunity to sell. I'm not saying it's impossible to sell, I'm just saying it's definitely shifting up how we're gonna sell and how we're gonna market your property. So today I'm gonna give you 3 tips to help sell your property faster. So time to grab a pen and some paper to take notes, because this information is extremely valuable. Before we get right into it, I want to say thank you for watching my videos and subscribing, smashing that subscribe button and hitting the little bell notification, because that helps you to get updates on our latest videos and our best content to help you thrive in the real estate market. All of America, all of the world is really struggling right now with being out of work, being home. Obviously the coronavirus is definitely slowing down the market. If you're like some of my clients, the chances are right now you just hit a stoplight. Everything is stalled, and there's ways to get around it, but a lot of people don't know. I don't want to make this video too long. We're gonna get right into it. Step number 1, you need to choose an agent that knows how to market properties online. Your agent's gonna need to know how to use social media. They're gonna need to know how to utilize different broadcasting services. They need to have a way to share your property. And the reason for that is because we can't do open houses right now. Currently, people can't come in droves and groups trying to look at the properties at the same time. We can't do that. So we have to have a way to still expose the property. So that's why it's so important right now to find an agent that knows how to do that. Step number 2, vacancy. It is almost impossible to show your property if you're currently living in it or if you have tenants in it. Obviously, COVID-19, the coronavirus, is extremely contagious and people are terrified. People aren't gonna wanna go into a house knowing that someone lives there. And I know it sounds kind of weird, but it's true. We don't know who's touched what surfaces, we don't know how clean they are. And so it's important to make sure that we market a house that is potentially staged or completely empty. The agent's gonna have a lot more flexibility with trying to get people in there. They're gonna be able to give people access to just view it on their schedule with their agent. It's gonna be the best for everybody. Step 3, cleaning. Now, obviously, when people are trying to sell their houses, they try to clean their house, but there's a lot of times when what people think is clean isn't really clean. And quite frankly, if you're living on the property and you're having problems with trying to get people into the property in the first place because it's not vacant, this might not apply to you because you have to deal with that vacancy issue. This is more so going in between clients and having someone tidy up and clean. Just having the appeal of making sure that the house smells clean, feels clean, and looks clean, and seems like it's actively being clean is gonna help someone to be a lot more comfortable with continuing with the transaction. People usually have shoe covers at the entrance of their houses when they're about to be viewed, and there's a little sign sometimes that'll say, please remove your shoes. There's nothing wrong with putting an extra sign that says, please mind yourself when you're touching services. We're trying to keep this area clean for both you and the next potential guests. So those are my 3 main tips on trying to sell a property right now in this environment. My name is Chance Jackson. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment and subscribe. Hit the bell to get notifications every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.